Hey guys, welcome to Help Screen, and this is how to see Wi-Fi password on Android phone. So, first thing is just simply go ahead and go to the settings into your phone. And now, here on the settings, just simply go for the connections for your internet. And now, just simply go for the Wi-Fi. And from here, just simply go ahead and select the gear icon on the right side on where you are connected. Now from here, down below, you should be able to see here QR code. So just simply select QR code. And guys, in other devices, you should be able to see here the Wi-Fi password right away. But if you don't have that option, what you could try to do is just simply go for save as image or just simply take a screenshot of the QR code. And after that, just simply go ahead and go to any web browser and then go to scanqr.org. Now, from here on this website, just simply select QR image over here and select the drag and drop or browse and just simply go to your files and just simply select the QR code that you just have a screenshot or saved. And now just simply select it on the top and now it will be uploaded. And now guys, if we scroll down, we should be able to see here the Wi-Fi password after the WPA P. And that's simply about it. I hope this video helped you understand more and thanks for watching.